Hey, welcome back. What a treat we've had for you this weekend. Not one episode, but two. So obviously following last night's episode, which you watched, which is Saturday, and now it's Sunday, I finished off in the office because I was editing and there was far too much footage. So this one, we're basically doing all the little finishing touches, banging the heat shields in, doing the temperature stuff, wiring up the sensor, just fine-tuning bits under the engine bay. And we're going to start with the slam panel now, get all the slam panel chucked on, and it's a bit tricky because obviously we've got to work out where to do stuff. We've altered stuff so things don't go back where they should do, so there's a lot of fiddly bits to do. So we'll jump into this time lapse, and then we'll crack on with the rest of it, and then hope all you're all alright. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button because I need it, and yeah, drop your comments down below. And if you haven't seen the KA build before, I'll drop the link up the top to the playlist. If not, let's crack on with this. You beautiful subscribers, let's do this. It's going to be a good one. Right, update time. What I've done is we've got the scuttle back on, me and Sam have. We haven't got the rain bits on and the rubber strip that goes along there. This is just a mock-up to see, because obviously we have to adjust where the coolant pipes now come out of here, where we've trimmed out. And obviously we've got the coil pack and the HT leads that go through there, so I'll wrap each HT lead. I just wanted to get it as far away as I could. Now I'm either going to wrap this plastic in the heat-proof tape that's coming, or I'm just going to now see if we can maybe run behind the turbo and here, maybe just on an arc, it clips up to here, just a heat shield off a scrap car, something we removed out the scrap pile. So I'll have a look at that now. Then obviously we've got where we've stripped the loom back for the feed for the coil pack, which is here, that runs under there now. Obviously that's to tape up and put some new cable sheathing on. So yeah, it's coming there. Hopefully our deliveries will be here soon with the insulation bits for the temperature bits, so I can get on with the rocker cover, get the new gasket on, get that bolted down. So we'll just have a look and see if we can get some sort of heat shield behind there. I don't want it to look too gas because it is actually for all the bits of scrap that we use coming together quite well. So yeah, let's try and get heat shield around this turbo, and hopefully the blanket will be here soon. So yeah, wicked! So I managed to find a bit of heat shield out the beautiful scrap pile again, folded it round, rubber goes on, and that just gives that protection round the back. So I'll just take it off, give it a good clean down, and we'll crack on with sorting out the rest of the wires now, and we'll jump on with doing the temperature sensor, which we've got to put its own separate sensor in for the temperature gauge. So we'll jump into all that now, tidying these wires up, and hopefully the heat shrink and the blanket will be here. So we're nearly done for this one, and it's looking well. Stuff's here in this box. Woohoo! What we got? Right, so the turbo blanket is here. The heat shield stuff is here as well, heat tape. So we'll get the rocker cover cleaned off. We'll flap these out. Pull out all the sensors and the rubber ground at the bottom, and I'll work up to probably just over where the Ford badge is, and use the heat gun and try and get the imprint of the Ford badge coming through the sticker. So we'll get on with that. Right, so I'm going to jump straight onto the rocker cover now, get everything stripped off clean, and start heat taping it. Woohoo! So we'll get the heat shield off, all the slam panel off, HT leads, we'll take them off, we'll work out which ones we need because we are going to have to use some longer ones. We'll get them wrapped and we'll get them marked up with what cylinder they're to go to, get them on. Sam will get the temperature gauge sorted out, and then that's finished. We should have most of this all back together, so then all that's going to be left is to do the exhaust. So yeah, let's crack on. We've got the bits now, so there's no excuse. Let's jump right into it. Taking the boost pipes all off because he needs to get access to the water pipe so he can tame and put the new sensor that we've got to go on, then the temperature gauge will work. Sam's been on doing the wire for the coil pack, so we're going to get the HT leads plumbed up now, rocker cover back on, and then the heat shield on, and then we're about there. Yes, mate. Right, well we've got as far as we can now, because we're going to have to sort out getting a flange for the exhaust. But we've got the sock, we'll just mock that out to see how that fits. All the boost pipes are back on now. Feed for the turbo gauge. We've got the heat tape from NASA on the backside of rocker cover. All the HT leads are rerouted now. They come down there, I don't know if you can see it coming on this side. They all come down there and then go under the heat shield and go onto the slam panel. I think we've modified the original slam panel to go back on. Then obviously the fuel pipes. Hang on. I'm having issues with the McGimmel. Come on. Then we've got the fuel pipes that we've redirected that run around the battery and down there to where we've cut. So yeah, the vacuum pipe for the servo's done. So it's only the exhaust now, then to take the old exhaust that's still off underneath. So in the next one we'll be doing the exhaust, checking it over, getting the battery fastened down properly, and just the last few bits. All the dash is done, got all the boost cages in, temperature gauge in, new steering wheel's done. We've got all that done. So we've got all that. Change the lights. So yeah, I'm really happy. Right, cheers for watching. We've done everything we can do now, so in the next one, like I said, we were doing the exhaust. Please give the video a thumbs up and please leave a comment down below
The link to the full playlist is up here, and excellent. I'm well buzzing with how it's getting on. So in the next one, exhaust, we're doing underneath, getting the wheels on it, be really looking well in the next one. Maybe get all the interior cleaned out as well. So thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one. I've been Colin.
This is my pigeon.
And that's been his pigeon. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers now, bye.